So, hey, what's up, everybody, and it's me, Mahi. So, welcome back to another video. And I know I'm not posting anything from last 3 years, but anyways, we are back. And you're probably thinking, what I am doing all this time. So, basically, I'm just chilling like this. Yeah, just like this. So, like साथ में कैट है, बैठे हैं and all, yeah, enjoying. But yeah, finally we are back. And also one thing that I don't play games anymore and I don't make videos like this anymore.
इसमें मैंने लास्ट में एयर ड्रॉप भी लिया है और उसको देख के तुम मेरी किस्मत में भाई क्या ही किस्मत थी मेरी भाई, देखना जरा वाला.
That's funny though, I guess, पता नहीं. But yeah, I don't play games anymore, so I was thinking if I don't play games anymore, so I should change my gaming name, like for obvious reasons. But then I thought, life is a game, not the Squid Game wala game, जहाँ पे you just get one chance, I guess. I don't know, I didn't watch Squid Game though. Will society accept me? पता नहीं. अरे हाँ, we are off the topic. So we are talking about like कि I thought कि life is a game, so why should I change the name? So I'm not changing this. मतलब क्या ही करना है फिर. So am I changing the channel name? Absolutely fucking not. So without wasting any further more time, let's get started to our video. Generation Z in India, aka Gen Z.
The Generation Z of
the Indian Gen Z.
Gen Z and Gen Alpha for that matter, right? Let's be clear, there are 13-year-olds.
Gen Z youngsters say they need to feel financially healthy.
The workers, the Gen Z, those born between 1997 and 2012.
So the term Gen Z is used for the people who are born between 1997 to 2012. But I think the meaning of this term is pretty changed. And for me, the people who are born after 2000 and to 2008 or 9 are called Gen Zs. But इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर आप 2000 and 2008 के बीच में born हुए हैं तो आप Gen Z हैं. And the answer is no, you are not. So what really makes you a Gen Z? So if you want to be one of them, so you need to be aesthetic, you need to be modern, you need to be cool, and the most important thing, you need to be Western. And इतना सब कुछ तो तुम्हें बना ही देगा Gen Z. At least for the millennials and the people from your generation who thinks they are not Gen Z. Abhi, this is why, because adults have a different opinions about this generation like this.
Do you think India is becoming too westernized or is it just evolving with time?
The Gen Z and Gen Alpha are trying to ape more of the Western culture to the extent that they don't even want to talk their mother tongue. Yeah, it's full and full English.
चलो मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ जिससे कोई लोग ऑफेंड नहीं होंगे. Until and unless you are from Bangalore. Okay, jokes apart. So, why this hate? I would not say hate, but the criticism this younger generation is facing. The main reasons are their lifestyle, their relationship, their work culture, and even the music taste. So let's talk about the relationship first. Well, there are a lot of dynamics in today's relationship. Like, there are friends, girlfriends, best friend, girlfriend, benefit with friends, and adani kitna kuch. So, अच्छा. So, what do you understand by relationship? जहाँ दो लोग होते हैं, वो दोनों एक दूसरे से प्यार करते हैं, एक से करता है, दूसरा दूसरे से करता है. Simple. But nah, it's not that simple. Cause right now there is a relationship जहाँ पे तुम एक बंदे को या बंदी को डेट कर रहे हो, thinking कि yeah, this is the future partner who I'll spend my whole life. But that's not the only thing, because there's a second term, situationship. What is situationship now? it is like you guys are together, but you're not in relationship, but you think that you will be in relationship in future. Pretty fucked up. Nah, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ और fucked up आने वाली है. So there is one more term, dating. In this you guys talk, you guys vibe with each other. तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि this can be my future situationship. And then there is a term called talking stage, जहाँ पे तुम एक दूसरे से बात करते हो और तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि in future maybe I can date this guy. So तुम dating में चले जाओगे.
तू समझा? हाँ. नहीं, तू समझा नहीं.
And that's all if, but ऐसा नहीं है क्योंकि there is a term benching. What is benching? So suppose you are in a relationship, मतलब तुम्हारा एक बंदा बंदी जो भी है, you're already having someone, but now you have a backup plan. Backup में एक ऐसा बंदा जिसके साथ तुमने talking stage, dating, situationship सब कर लिया. So it's just like your backup कि अगर इसके साथ नहीं हुआ तो I have this one. And I think it depends on person to person opinion कि वो इसको कैसे देखते हैं. For me, I'm being a Gen Z. I think it's pretty normal. Anyways, I'm not gonna get cancelled anyway. So let's move to the next topic, the work culture. Why these millennials hate Gen Zs in work culture? Abhi this is because we wanna work together, ना कि we wanna work under someone. एक यहाँ पे एक बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस होता है कि जब किसी के साथ में काम करना एंड किसी के अंडर काम करना, एंड वी वांना वर्क टुगेदर. ऑल्सो देयर इज वन मोर थिंग, वी आर नॉट डूइंग वर्क फॉर सिर्फ वर्क करने के लिए. वी वांना डू वर्क टू हैव सम मोटिव, एक पर्पस, सो दैट वी हैव अ लाइक मोटिवेशन टू वर्क, ना कि हम बस काम करते जा रहे हैं. एंड देयर इज नो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. वी वांट अ वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, हमें अपनी लाइफ एंजॉय करनी है. And that's why I think millennials hate Gen Zs for work-life balance. ऐसा ही कुछ है तो सही. And also one thing, this generation is changing or switching their jobs very often because they don't want to work same thing for their whole life, which I think is pretty good. I mean, मेरे को भी ऐसा लगता है कि मैं एक ही काम को पूरी लाइफ नहीं कर सकता अगर मैं उसके लिए पैशनेट नहीं हूँ, which most of the Gen Zs are not, because most of the people are doing work मतलब they are not passionate about. So switch karna is like, I think it's not that bad, but yeah, adult people hate this, so yeah. Okay, this video will be pretty long. अगर हम हर चीज़ के बारे में डिस्कस करने लग गए तो I want this video as a very short so you can save your time. You don't have to say thank you for this. Okay, at the end we can talk about some ongoing trends like meme culture, and there's some music concert thing going on right now. So let's talk about meme culture first. So this generation meme culture is pretty toxic, and people are making memes on very sensitive topics, which I personally found very offensive. And कुछ memes तो भाई ठीक लगते हैं कि हाँ चलो बढ़िया, but I guess memes को एक टैंक का नाम देने के बाद उसको तुम कुछ भी sensitive चीज़ें पोस्ट करना is not funny. मतलब हाँ, I feel like this. So if you are posting memes which are funny and normal, तब तो वो I guess सही है. But if you are posting some sensitive memes which are offensive, just to become cool, just to look ऐसे मतलब होता है ना dank वगैरह वगैरह, so I think that's not acceptable. So this is my thoughts on this. Okay, let's talk about the last topic, music concert. So, can you even imagine hating someone for their music taste? So, in recent times, Gen Zs are going to concerts pretty often. And guess what? लोगों को इसमें भी दिक्कत है कि why they are going to these type of concert, why they are spending their money. So my take on this is like कि एक personal choice है कि वो किस तरह के concert पे जाना चाहते हैं and where they want to spend their money. Simple. So at the end I think every generation have some wrongs and some rights. पहले की जनरेशन में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होगी जो विच आर रॉन्ग, एंड अभी की जनरेशन में कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं विच आर राइट. सो आई वुड से कि let others live how they want until and unless they are affecting you. That's it. And yeah, that's it for the video, guys. And one thing more, like I made this video without editing and without any script. तो मुझे पता है वीडियो उतनी अच्छी बनी नहीं है, but yeah, I tried बस अभी के लिए. And if you like this video, follow me on Instagram. Link in the comment section. Bye, cuties.